Are you wondering how to double space in Google Docs? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you the 2 quickest ways in order to do so. So as you can see, I've created a brand new Google Doc document and I've put in some dummy text. Now all you need to do is select all of the text that you want to add a double space to. The first and easiest way is to literally go to the formatting bar and look for the line and paragraph spacing. Left click here and then press double. And there you have it. That is how to double space in Google Docs. There is another way. You can also go to the formatting and you can scroll to line and paragraph spacing and do it from there. Now, if you wanted to revert to single or perhaps even have less than double spacing, then you could choose one of the following options. So yeah, that is how to double space in Google Docs. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Any comments, questions, feedback or video suggestions, then drop them down below as well. With all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.